Hello, I am Mansha Vasnani. Sometimes it happens that we use our laptop for many hours continuously, which gets our eyes strained. So, doctors recommend us to follow the 20-20-20 rule. According to this rule, we are supposed to look at something that is 20 feet away from us for 20 seconds after an interval of 20 minutes. So, I have made a Python program to implement this rule. I'm going to show you that program. Here is the project. Over here, I have imported two modules, the time module and the tkinter module. The time module will act as a timer and the tkinter module will give me the notifications. Over here, I have created the break time function and the while true will work as a infinite loop. So whatever block is inside it, it will work infinitely. It will not stop until we terminate the code. Over here I have added 5 seconds so that I can show it over here, but to give it 20 minutes I will put this code, and over here this will mean that the function will work continuously. Let me run it now. After every 5 seconds the notification will be displayed on the screen, so I click OK, and then again after every 5 minutes it will come. So this is my project. Thank you.